pledge that I, as a governor of BVI Central, will uphold the principles and traditions and faithfully bear true allegiance to the BVI Constitution and the established bylaws of BVI. To accepting this office, I undertake the responsibility which is not to be assumed lightly nor carelessly discharged. I shall be charged with my duties seriously and resolutely, furthering the objectives of the BVI. I will carry out the duties of my office loyally, honestly, and with impartiality. I will not use the BVI platform for other organizational activities. I make this promise solemnly, freely, and upon my honor. Thank you.